guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate stickers on CapCut browser. So select stickers and select a sticker you want. So let's just find this one, press the plus button on that sticker. I'm just going to resize it a little bit and put it here. I'm going to then copy it again and paste it so there's two hearts. I'm just going to move that heart here, for instance, like so. And then I'm just going to click on the sticker, go to animation, and then here you have the in animation, out, and the loop animation. So let's just choose one, maybe this pulse one. You can also adjust the duration if you want it a little bit slower or even faster. I'm also just going to resize it a little bit again. And for this one I'm going to do the same too. I am going to use the pulse sort of animation, like so. And that is basically it. That's how you can add animations to your stickers. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!